Suffering from mild back pain? Worry not, natural cures will support you to overcome this tricky. Hello friends. Welcome back to the traditional home remedies. My name is Pallavi and today I am going to share with you homemade remedies by which you can reduce mild back pain. Pain is one of the broadest health difficulties that not only disturb the senior or middle-aged persons but also young individuals who are loaded with extended working hours or lead a very busy regime. The weighty persons are more disposed to back trouble. Many females suffer from backaches throughout their pregnancy. The human back is collected of a compound organization of muscles, ligaments, tendons, discs, and bones, which effort composed to maintain the body and support us to move around. Difficulties with one of these components can lead to back pain. In this video, I will share with you 2 effective drinks which you can consume daily to relieve mild back pain. But remember, you should check in a doctor to make an opinion and take an appropriate treatment as soon as possible to get rid of your pain. Please don't ignore. You know your physique best, so if somewhat doesn't look right, get it checked out. Along with your treatment, you can consume these remedies because a natural remedy has no side effects. Remedy 1. Ginger and carom seeds tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory acids that can calm back pain. It can support decreasing mild back pain. Growing your ginger consumption can help to combat backache. Carom seeds known as ajwain have antibiotic belongings that fight inflammation, and they hold anesthetic goods that relax the ache and swelling. How to prepare? Take a pan, pour 1 glass of water, add 1 inch crushed ginger and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Boil 4 to 5 minutes. Then strain the water with the help of the strainer and drink it warm. You should take this tea 2 times a day. If you have mild back pain, this solution can help to reduce it. Remedy 2. Holy basil leaf and bay leaf tea. Basil leaf, known as tulsi, has anti-inflammatory acids which comfort to cure a variety of illnesses and disorders. It has natural pain-killer properties. Bay leaf is packed with vitamins and minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, copper, manganese, and essential oils. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and astringent belongings. How to prepare? Boil 1 glass of water and add 3 to 4 basil known as tulsi leaves and 2 bay leaves known as tej patta. Once it is boiled, strain the water and drink it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Consume this tea in 1 month. So I hope this information will support you to get rid of back pain. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it's valuable for us, and hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.